Hi, this is Babu sir from Babu sir's group tuition. We'll be now doing the third part of sums based on gravitation for SSC. We have done two parts of sums based on gravitational force. That is, we have done based on speed, distance, time, and then we have done sums based on weight. Today we'll do sums based on gravity again, that is the gravitational pull, or you can call it acceleration due to gravity. And there is another gravitational force where two objects try to pull each other. Any two objects will attract each other. Any two objects in this universe will attract each other by a force. This force is called gravitational force. But as I told you before, in our head, we have made a conclusion कि वह ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स का मतलब जो अपन बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं वही ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स है. बट ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स इज नॉट दैट. ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स इज समथिंग व्हाट वेरी डिफरेंट. दैट attraction between two bodies. You can call attraction between the earth and the sun, attraction between a small bus and a car, or attraction between any two objects. That is gravitational force. Object might be very big, it might be very far. Object might be very small, it might be near also. But कोई भी दो object will pull each other. That is gravitational force. इस ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स का फॉर्मूला है F इज इक्वल टू G mm अपॉन R स्क्वायर. F का मतलब है ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स, G का मतलब है ग्रेविटेशनल कांस्टेंट, M होगा ऑब्जेक्ट 1 का मास, छोटा m होगा ऑब्जेक्ट 2 का मास. दो ऑब्जेक्ट है ना ऊपर, तो ऑब्जेक्ट 1 का मास, ऑब्जेक्ट 2 का मास, एंड r विल बी द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम. This you have already studied in the theory part. So I am just explaining you again. Gravitational force means जो दो बॉडी के बीच में अट्रैक्शन है, दैट इज द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. एंड दिस, ये जो अट्रैक्शन हो रहा है अंदर, ये जो पुल हो रहा है अंदर, दिस इज ग्रेविटी. और यू कैन कॉल एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी छोटा जी. छोटा जी का फॉर्मूला है Gm अपॉन R स्क्वायर. सो यू हैव टू ऑलवेज अंडरस्टैंड कि जब भी दो ऑब्जेक्ट आ गया और दोनों के बीच का पुल बता रहा है तो समझ जाने का वो ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स है. दैट इज द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स बिटवीन टू बॉडीज, और ये फॉर्मूला लेना है. और कभी भी आ गया भाई कोई किसी को पुल कर रहा है, इट इज पुलिंग टुवर्ड्स इटसेल्फ, तो समझ जाने का भाई दिस इज छोटा वाला जी. दैट इज ग्रेविटी. और यू कैन कॉल इट एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी, जैसे वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन द last two parts of gravity. This is the third part. So first what we'll do, we'll try to do Gravitational force sums. Chalo, first we'll try that. Now gravitational force sums are very easy. We think that it is very hard, but it is not very hard. It will be very easy. So every time we'll have something, this is one thing, then we'll have another thing, इसका मास होगा, इसका मास होगा, कुछ इनके बीच में डिस्टेंस होगा और एक g कांस्टेंट होगा और एक ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स होगा. So it will be like this. So we'll try to do it again. देखो, again I'll tell you. So we'll have two objects. This will be mass 1, this will be mass 2. There will be a distance between them. और फॉर्मूला के हिसाब से we require a constant. तो एक gravitation constant रहेगा. For example, the formula is like this. Gravitational force is equal to G mm upon r square. So little bit further we did कि भाई दोनों m का मतलब दोनों का mass. There are two objects. So दोनों का mass, r is the distance, g is the gravitation constant and f is the gravitational force. Now what will happen? We are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things here. Now in your sum, 4 will be given and you have to find the fifth one. That's it. Any sum, like the sum we will take for right now is we'll take phi f will take. There are only two sums, phi f and phi g. So we'll do phi f first. It will be very simple. Only the calculations will be harder. For that you have to know properly the laws of indices. So we'll start m1, or we'll see the mass of the earth and the moon. So one will take ये earth और ये moon लेते हैं. Two objects है ना, तो they have given us earth and moon. तो earth का mass they have given us 6 into 10 raised to 24 and moon का mass they have given 7.4 into 10 raised to 22. So like that both mass they have given us. I told you totally there are 5 things. So 4 things we want. The distance between them, चलो distance भी दिया हुआ है 3.84 into 10 raised to 5. This distance is also given. Calculate the gravitational force. मतलब calculate GF. Gravitational force ढूंढना है. अब बचता है G, बड़ा वाला G, constant. That also they have given us 6.7 into 10 raised to minus 11. Newton meter square upon kg square. So you can see here, I told you 5 things. So 1, 2, 3, 4 things are given out of 5. So what we have to do now, we have to just put the formula. That's it. Because everything they have already given us. Just put the formula, just put the details, you will get the answer. So we'll use the formula. देखो. Gravitational force is equal to G m upon r square. So G तो we can see it here only on the top. 6.7 into 10 raised to minus 11. तो एक मिल गया अपने को. Into earth का mass you can see it is given here 6 into 10 raised to 24. ये नहीं दिया तो भी इतना ही mass है, that you have to, if you can remember, it is very good. 6 into 10 raised to 24. Mass of the moon is also given there. 7.4 into 10 raised to 22. Distance also they have given. That is 3.84. See, it is given distance here. Into 10 raised to 5. Again 3.4 into 10 raised to 5. You are having r square there, तो तुमको ये 2 बार लेना पड़ेगा. So you have just seen, you don't have to do anything, just write the formula and you have to do copy paste. Everything will be given in this sum. You don't have to do anything, no much use of your head. Only the calculation part will be a problem. Now calculation part, the remaining part you can do, but the 10 part I will show you how it is. On top you can see there is 10, there is 124, you can add directly, 122 is there, then 1 minus 11 is there. Now whatever down, if you write it up, so you will write it in minus. So 5 नीचे है तो ऊपर आएंगे तो -5. Again 1 5 नीचे है, ऊपर आएगा तो -5. So you can take 10, 46 minus, ये सब प्लस वाले थे, minus 16, 21. 10 raised to, you will get around 25. This is the 10 calculation. और बाद में भी जब वो आएगा, क्या बोलते हैं, रिमेनिंग भी जब मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, इफ यू शिफ्ट द डेसिमल देन यू हैव टू reduce or increase the 10 part. So this is your first part, that is what do you call it? Just applying the formula and doing the sum. If there are some mistakes in this, like the question is having a mistake or something, you just have to change the numbers. Automatically you will get the mistakes covered. But the theory, the concept, you have to know this. मतलब कभी भी तुमको करना है, just you put the formula, automatically you will get the answer. Now one thing you have to see, especially when you are doing such types of sums, the units. Now this sum we did, like we just went on writing very fast. So this practice you should avoid. You should write the proper units also. So I have not written the units, but you, for the next time, you have to write it properly, all the units. So when we see the mass of the earth, it is 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. तो मास केजी में ही होता है. एंड मास 2 अगेन 7.4 into 10 raised to 22 kg. तो ये भी बराबर है. The distance is 3.84 into 10 raised to 5 kilometer. Now this kilometer नहीं चलेगा. You have to write it in meters. So 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. So you have to multiply it by 1000. तो 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा तो ये हो जाएगा 3.84 into 10 raised to 8 meters. So you have to take this in meters. So when we do such sums, right, we just did it before. So I told you, if you take two things like this, distance has to be in meters and mass has to be in kg. Now, why so? See here you can see the gravitation constant. It is Newton, it is meter, and it is kg. Right? So suppose if you get confused somewhere, you can see this gravitation constant also. इसमें automatically ये 3 तुमको लगेगा. So here instead of 5, we have to take 8. So while doing sums, you have to remember again that we are having mass, distance, gravitation constant, and gravitation force. Right? Now gravitation force will be, and gravitation constant is there. Gravitation force, gravitation is always in newtons. Gravitation constant will be in Newton meters square per kg square. Distance will be in meters and mass will be in kg. So you have to know this properly. Otherwise, if we do just go on doing the sum, after working so hard, it might go wrong. That is why you have to know the units properly. So here R was in meters, kilometers, we converted into meters. Then you can do this sum. Then you will have here minus 8 minus 8. So you will have 19 minus 27. So you will have somewhat here 19. And then after you replace the other points, you might shift the point, might be around 21 or 20 or 18, whatever it is, that is shifting the points. This 10 wala I showed you how to do it. So after you solve this entire thing, the calculation is difficult in this. Either you can, if you don't know much, you can just leave it like that, or you calculate the entire thing. You might get answer somewhere around right. So after solving this, you might get somewhere around 20 into 10 raised to 90 newtons. Now this 0 you can shift it here and you can write 2 into 10 raised to 20. This also you can do it. Or if you don't want, you just keep it like that only. So these sums are very easy, but the calculation is tough. Plus we have a conversion also here. So conversion again, it should not, because you are doing for the first time this, but they have given you a conversion also. But that is simple, you have to just know that you have to use kg and meters. Now the second sum, that is 5g. Now this is also based on the same rule. Again there are two, again same. So mass of earth, so one they have taken, this is earth, is 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. This is always same, 6 into 10 raised to 24. अपना ही अर्थ है, अपना अर्थ का मास ही है, तो याद कर लेने का. Now second is the sun. अभी अर्थ और सन का डिस्टेंस they have given 1.5 into 10 raised to 11. मीटर्स, तो ये मीटर में दिया है, देखो नो कन्वर्जन रिक्वायर्ड, यहाँ पे भी केजी में दिया है, नो कन्वर्जन रिक्वायर्ड. as you go on doing more and more sums, you will come to know. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल फोर्स है, फोर्स इज इन न्यूटन्स. इफ द ग्रेविटेशन फोर्स बिटवीन देम, तो मतलब ये बड़ा वाला GF दिया हुआ है. I told you ना, there are 5 things, so 4 things will be given, 5th you have to search. So gravitation force is given 3.5 into 10 raised to 22. Gravitation force दिया हुआ है. What is the mass of the sun? मतलब इसका मास ढूंढने का तुमको. मास ऑफ अर्थ दिया हुआ है, तो मास ऑफ सन ढूंढना है तुम्हारे. अब बचा और एक ग्रेविटेशनल कांस्टेंट, वो हर वक्त वो भी सेम ही रहता है, वो अलग अलग नहीं रहता है. तो इफ यू वांट टू रिमेंबर इट, यू कैन रिमेंबर 6.7 into 10 raised to -11 न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर पर केजी स्क्वायर. सो ये ग्रेविटेशन, ये तो हर वक्त फिक्स है. अर्थ का मास थोड़ी चेंज होता है, वो भी हर वक्त फिक्स है. Now again you can see 4 things are given to you. 5th you can search it, you can find out. So I'll write gravitational force is equal to G, mass of earth, mass of sun upon distance square. अभी हमको mass of sun ढूंढना है, तो remaining will shift it here. So GF into R square upon G into mass of earth, like this. अब ये क्या करना है, I told you this sum में कुछ नहीं करना है, कॉपी पेस्ट. और अभी तो सारे जो ये ग्रेविटेशन फोर्स का यूनिट न्यूटन में ही दिया है, तो सारे यूनिट्स भी बराबर है. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू जस्ट fill it up, that's it. So gravitation force दिया हुआ है 3.5 into 10 raised to 22 into distance भी दिया है, मीटर्स में दिया है, तो 1.5 into 10 raised to 11, again 1.5 into 10 raised to 11. और दूसरा जो ग्रेविटेशन कांस्टेंट है, दैट इज गिवन 6.7 into 10 raised to -11. और मास ऑफ अर्थ मालूम ही है, दैट इज 6 into 10 raised to 24. आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस यू विल गेट मास ऑफ सन. सो बाय दिस फॉर्मूलाज एंड ऑल दैट, वी डोंट हैव टू गो टू द सन एंड फाइंड द मास. हम लोग इस कैलकुलेशन से हम लोग मास वास ये सब ढूंढ सकते हैं. राइट. सो हियर द मास ऑफ द सन 10 का हम लोग वापस में करके देता हूं. देखो 10 का एक 22 है ऊपर, और एक +11 है, और एक +11 है. सो 10 22 11, नीचे एक -11 है, तो ऊपर आके वो +11 हो जाएगा. और नीचे एक और 24 है, तो ऊपर आके -24 हो जाएगा. सो दिस विल बिकम 10 33 आ रहा है कुछ. 33 माइनस करेंगे 33 -2, तो 10 raised to 31 आ रहा है कुछ इस तरह से. सो लाइक दैट, ये 10 का मैंने तुमको बता दिया. रिमेनिंग द कैलकुलेशन पार्ट दैट यू हैव टू डू, बिकॉज वो तो तुम बचपन से ही सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. तो आफ्टर सॉल्विंग द एंटायर थिंग यू विल गेट द आंसर 1.96 into 10 raised to 30. और मास है तो मास केजी में आएगा. ट्राई टू डू द कैलकुलेशन. कैलकुलेशन में 10 वाला कैलकुलेशन तो बताया मैंने, राइट. प्लस इन 10 कैलकुलेशन इफ इट इज 32.45 suppose. So if you shift the point there, 324.5, you shifted that side. Suppose ये 10 raised to 5 है. If you shift it that side, this will reduce. And if you shift it ulta, 3.245, if you shift it this way, then this will increase. 6 हो जाएगी. So ये जब मल्टीप्लाई होगा तभी ये शिफ्टिंग भी होगा, right? So you can do this. We'll finish off. Next part I'll do it in part 4.